railroad fans. First train was westbound. I'm sorry the camera started a few seconds late there. I hit the start button, but it didn't go. And I got it actually started about 4 seconds too late. I apologize, but then a nice double combo here. First train had a Norfolk Southern leader with a freaky horn, so kind of disappointed I didn't get that, but anyway, it is what it is. It's almost sunrise here. It's a beautiful day. This train right here is on main track number 1 eastbound. It's probably a Q train, might be a Z train. Had to shove the car there real quick at the end. I jumped out and ran over here. And unfortunately, it didn't get started in time. But nice video nonetheless. Hoping to get Amtrak out here. I haven't seen it yet. May have already gone by, but it's usually late. The Southwest Chief. Got some shout outs coming for all the contributors. So if you're one of those fine people, stay tuned. And if not, you can always hit the join button. We have super thanks and patreon.com if you want to become one of Buddy's assistant producers. Really appreciate your support. Keep us going strong. Yeah, beautiful sunrise. Getting ready just to pop out any moment now. Then I'm going to have to go over and get on the other side of the tracks. Yeah, it's looking like a Q train to me. There's no trailers, and Q train is a guaranteed service intermodal. Oh God, it looks like I might be tying down here. Oh, I'm going to be stuck if it ties down here. It's definitely going to tie down. I can feel it coming. Keep going, train. Oh, there's the end right there. Get past the crossing. Please. Keep going. Go. Go, go, go. Yeah, if I get blocked in here, I've got to go several miles to get out through a dirt road up the San Andreas Fault. Go, baby. Look at that. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Yeah, I don't want to cross it if it's even that close, because something could be coming the other way and you wouldn't even see it. This gate might stay down. Oh, thank God. Needless to say, I'm going to get on the other side of the tracks while the getting's good. Yeah, the train is definitely tying down there. All right, we'll locate on the other side and we'll be back with you shortly. Thanks for watching. Watch a couple more and we're going to catch you guys on the next one. Take care. Whew, just made it. That train is tied down. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Good afternoon, Cajon Pass railroad fans. Buddy and I wanted to take just a moment to thank all of our assistant producers. You know who you are, the ones that are making wonderful contributions to keep us going strong. We'd like to thank John Powell, Gert Bota, Danny Turner, Silence 7, Nancy Hodges, Lars Gary, Tom Riccardi, Eddie Labar, Michael Fox, Richard Everly, Jay Geist, John Prang, Illinois Man, Lyle Larson, Sam Samuelson, John Hansen, and Freet Buzz Aldrin. Of course, there's also Keith, too. I'm an assistant producer, right? Just kidding. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Watch a couple more, and we will catch you on the next one. Just the cameraman here.